Hey everyone, welcome back to Quarter Mile Muscle. Today we're looking at this 1973 Corvette. This is a ground up restoration project that we have performed recently. It's got candy apple red paint, it's got a stay fast black convertible top, digital taillights, it's a 427 big block car, it's got a Tremec TKX 5-speed transmission, Holley Sniper fuel injection. It's a great car. It drives great, it looks great, and it's one of our favorites. I hope you enjoy it.
Go, Adam.
Just taking an opportunity here to take a look at the engine. This is a 427 big block Chevrolet. It's got a Billet Specialties front drive system on it. We kept it real shiny. There's some modern updates to it. It's got the Hyperspark distributor and the Holley Sniper 2 EFI system. Really clean, nice looking engine bay. From this angle you can see the other side of the engine. It does have the vintage air system on it. We did use a CVF adapter for the AC compressor. All the lines and hoses are custom made. This fuel line is something we made custom, and it's a dash 8 all the way from the tank to the fuel injection system. Hey, just wanted to talk a little bit about some interior features on this 1973 Corvette. One of the coolest things, and maybe the only C3 Corvette in the world with this, Reversion Raceworks made us a dash panel that will house the Holley 12.3-inch touchscreen dash. They made this in two pieces, and we bodyworked it, as you can see. You can scroll through the gauges. Has everything you need on it, and it also can tune the sniper system, the Holley sniper system, from the dash. We don't generally do that because it's kind of difficult to use the stylus on the dash, but you could, if you wanted to make a small adjustment on the road, you could do that. Another neat feature is this double DIN radio, which you don't normally see in a C3 with a factory style console. Usually that's a full custom deal, but we were able to adapt it and put it in. Looks great in there, like it was made for it. It eliminates the factory radio hole with some plastic pieces that we made. This car also has vintage air. As you can see, the controls there fit in the factory console. And here you can see this 5-speed shifter for the Tremec TKX transmission. It's got a Momo steering wheel. And another cool feature is the power windows are on this lever. One other special feature of this 73 Corvette are these side pipes. While the headers are Hedman, the pipes themselves are from Billy Boat Exhaust here in Mooresville, North Carolina. They're unique because they don't get hot. They won't give you the typical C3 Corvette burn on your ankle, or the back of your calf rather. These we've driven this all day, and you can put your hand right on the exhaust. Now granted, it does get a little bit hot in this area where the transition is, but everything from about there back is safe to the touch.